Pause your roll. Today is a big story. Stellar Luminous or XLM. We just end up July with a surge of 68%. But now price momentum is cooling. Cool XLM rally again. Cool it help everyday people turn small saving into a big returns. Stay till the end and I'll break it down. It's August 1st, 2025. The Stellar price backed off about 3% today, standing a short-term downward move as some traders lock in profits. This dip comes after breakout from $0.41 to 45 cent range, which had formed a classic bullish pattern chart pattern, a setup that often predicts more upside if volume picks up. XLM hovered around $0.42 before today's pullback. The rally last month was sparked by two big stories. One, the launch of Protocol 23, which improved smart contracted capability within a Stellar network. And two, over 500 billion institutional capital flowing into XLM related projects. That sent the price jumping as high as 31 to 68% in July alone, emerging just as micro strength returned to crypto market. So what's next to August? Analysts are watching closely. Some models predict a modest rebound to $0.45 to 50 cent if bullish momentum resumes. Others see potential for breakout to 62 cent to 80 cent if the price clears 0.45 cent resistance zone. Target at $0.50, then 62 cent and 69 cent, and that unlimitedly 81 cent appears on Fibonacci extension map. A deeper dive into forecasting model shows a crypto prediction expect Stellar to start August at $0.50 and close near 0.5526 cent, which range between $0.505 to $0.526 cent. Another model suggested an average of $0.3146 and low of $0.2984, higher near $0.3238, about 17 to 24% upside from currently leveling. Let's make this personal. If you're someone like freelancer, teacher, or nurse, and you brought Stellar around $0.40 today, if it moves back only to $0.50, that's 25% gain. If it pushes to $0.62 and again jump to 55%, and if your bold target of $0.80 hits, that's 100% return, doubling your investment. If you start with just $500 investment, 1 year holding through a potential move towards $0.80 could turn that into a $1,000. That's real growth, not magic. To be clear, rising from a dip around $0.42 rests on a strong momentum. If validation fails, XLM could reset support around $0.40, even dip toward 38 cent to 0.36 cent as some agros warn. So, smart to only invest what you're comfortable with and consider buying into small dips like 40 cent or below rather than going all in. In a summary, I will say Stella bullish flag pattern and protocol 23 plus institutional inflows set the state. If XLM breaks above 0.45 with a volume and target of $0.5062 cent, even a 80 cent could be reasonable. For thoughtful savers, gain from 25 to 100% over the August are possible. Nothing guaranteed, but within a range. So friends, do you think XLM hit $0.50 or 62 cent or 80 cent this month? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you to understand the XLM roadmap, hit a like, subscribe for crypto explaining in